Hello, so today I want to quickly look at some basics of using the curve tool. Now, as we saw in previous lessons, if we wanted to create a curve, we can actually do this just by using these add nodes, and we've looked at that in the last 2 or 3 lessons. But we can actually do exactly the same thing with one tool, which is just in the curve tool. And to do that, I'm just going to first of all open geometry, go inside of here, and then create a curve. So let's look for the curve tool. Give me a bunch of options: Bezier, polygon, and spline. They're all actually the same tool, but it just changes the type. So I'm going to go with the polygon. And once I'm in the polygon, I can see this primitive type. I can change this to NURBS, or I can change it to Bezier, which is exactly the same thing that's coming up in the list here. It just auto pre-selects this this primitive type here. Okay, so back to the polygon. And I'm going to create something very similar to I made before. So this time I've made sure that I've got this button here selected, which is my snap to the grid tool. And I'm going to go into my draw mode. And I'm just going to make the same shape that we had last time. So one here, one here, one here, one here. So they're all 1 meter apart. Hit enter. And I've got the same curve that we had before. Brilliant. But what about if I want to close this? Is that possible? Well, yes, it is. And at this time I'm just going to go into my edit. I'm going to select this curve, and this time I'm just going to select this here, which is the close selected curves. Hit that, and now I've converted this into a face. Now remember last time in the add node we had this closed checkbox which we could just switch on and off, right? It's not quite so simple in the curve tool. I don't have a way to be able to just simply turn this off. So the way I have to do it is I need to select this section here, which is this this edge here, which has automatically selected these points, and then I will select this button here, which is remove segment or delete segment. Okay, and it takes me back to where I was before with this open curve. Okay, I hope this is useful. If you have any questions, comments, or criticisms, as always, please leave them below, and I will get back to you. Thank you very much.